Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find a mobile phone number on Android. So in case you want to find it, it's very easy, but not all the phones support it. So first thing to do, you can open your settings on your phone. Then you can scroll down and you can tap about phone. Again, you can scroll down and tap on a SIM card status. And here we go, where your phone number is located. So if this unknown, it means you have to add manually. So you can try to search on the internet how you can find your phone number through your SIM card or through your dial number from your SIM card. Sometimes every SIM card, every carrier have a specific dial number to know your phone number. After that, you can add manually on a SIM card and mobile data. Tap again your carrier, and here you can set your phone number in this. You can fill the blank with your phone number after you find it through the dial. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.